Look closer. In the shadows. Behind the everyday world. Beyond the headlines and the seats of power. A hidden hand. A kind of company known as Providence. To it, we were just assets. To use and throw away. To do the unthinkable. The unforgivable. And it never gave us a second thought. Until now. After decades in the shadows, we are fighting back. Me and 47. Much has been lost, but we are closer than ever. We trapped the Constant, Providence's chief controller, and finally learnt the names of its 3 partners. In their downfall, we lay the past to rest. And, just maybe, look towards the future. 47. It's time.
Partners are down there. You know, I never planned this far ahead. You never do. I see someone got his memory back. Wait, is that a beacon? What the hell? Base. Alexa Carlisle's helicopter just took off. Confirm target locations, over. Diana, what's the status?
Right. We have a situation. Carlisle has left the building. And I think I know why. The Constant has escaped. He persuaded one of the sailors into setting him free. And since then, he's been seizing control of Providence assets and resources. I can only assume Carlisle is rushing to contain the damage.
If she slips away again...
We'll keep track of her. Make sure she doesn't. Meanwhile, the plan stays the same. Your destination is the Scepter, the world's tallest building where the partners are laying low, courtesy of their host, Sheikh Omar Al-Ghazali. Marcus Stuyvesant is 5th-generation old money. His family made its fortune in real estate and banking, and were at one point the chief landowners in New York. Carl Ingram is a powerful Washington kingmaker whose family grew rich selling gunpowder during the American Civil War, and later established a globe-spanning empire in oil, coal, and steel. Both families long since retreated from public view, but their quiet dominance endures to this day. Now, the partners likely suspect that we're coming, so Mr. Gray will infiltrate building controls and disable all electronic doors and elevators. Stuyvesant and Ingram are about to find they have nowhere left to run.
Right. This is our moment, 47. Providence ruined our lives with the flick of a pen. Today, we return the favor. Happy hunting.
Something.
Welcome to the barge, Al-Ghazali.
Good to see you.
On behalf of His Royal Highness Omar Al-Ghazali, I need you.
Familiar faces here today. This has been a dream of mine for a great many years. And as all of you know,
Hello there.
I am from one of the less privileged.
Hey, hey. Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it! Oh, I'm done.
It's a pretty swanky place, huh?
Oh, yeah. I could get used to a gig like Come on. I'll go knock in here. Show me the puzzle.
Miles of them around, too.
Yep. Hard to imagine someone causing trouble. Come in. Heard something weird. Ah, come on. Well,
No, no, no!
Someone, please. I need help. I just heard what sounded like someone getting a proper
47.
beating.
I would like to address the Providence partners directly. I want them to know why this is happening. And I have an idea, but it requires you finding a map terminal.
Oh, you think these elevators are ever Well, I'm glad you're taking this seriously.
Hey, check that out.
Absolutely.
No access through here. Please leave.
back? I've got no visual.
Command, you read me. Over. Command. Victim couldn't give a description of the perpetrator. We're hunting blind. God damn it. What's that, Command?
Looking good today, sir.
Keep your eyes peeled. This could be dangerous.
It's all clear. Over.
Watch out for incoming fire. Gonna set up the 50 cal and keep the toolbox open.
Reading 5 by 5.
Carl Ingram finally gets what he deserves. Good riddance. Now let's get Marcus Stuyvesant.
Nothing here, Command. Moving on.
Assassin actual, this is Alpha 1 actual. Area is clear. Please advise, over.
Greetings, sir.
Sorry, sir. You dropped something?
Okay, we should stay low. This way.
Right behind you.
Whoa.
Hey, pick that up.
I got your back, sir.
We got him, 47. Soon there will be no more Providence. You need to find an exit. Our business is done here, but it's far from over. that's your winning face, I'd hate to see you lose.
We underestimated the Constant.
Yeah, he's a glorified desk clerk.
He's not just after the money. He wants it all.
We caught him once, we can do it again. And, well, we're not the ones who let him escape.
You still don't trust her.
I don't like executive decision makers. Look, you don't have to follow her, you know? Soon, this will be over. Maybe it's time to think about the future. You have to face the possibility that there's no going back. If the ICA knows what you did,
she'll make it right. She always does.
We have a fix on Carlisle. Come on. We've got a plane to catch. I hope you like the rain, 47.
Miss Burnwood.
How did you...
I have everyone's number. You really ought to know by now.
You planned this? All of it?
Don't be silly. I just played the hand I was dealt.
We'll find you.
You had me. Where'd that get you?
We handed you an empire.
It's for the best. The partners were complacent, set in their ways. But power is more than just security. Providence can be an agent of change. Surely you understand. Or you will. Soon enough.